Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Autods to Etsy. Without further ado, let's get started. So you have a store on Etsy and you want to start your dropshipping business using Autods. So to start using Autods, just search for Autods on Google and that will surely be the first result. So just click on that. Then click on the Get Started button or the Login button here. Then as you can see, you will be able to choose a store where you want to sell on. So in our case, let's click on Etsy. Then click on Continue. Then you just have to choose a plan here. And as what you may have noticed, each plan has a 30-day free trial. So you can try it first. If you're not that happy with the service, you can cancel it anytime within 30 days. So let's click on the first option. Then here you will have to select a payment method. So you can pay through PayPal, Payoneer, or credit card. As you can see here, there is a 21-day money-back guarantee, so you can get a refund once you cancel your subscription within that time frame. Now, just to show you a glimpse on how you can add your Etsy store to Autods, here on Autods Help Center, they provide a step-by-step guide. You will basically see something like this on the left sidebar. Then you just have to click on Add Store. Then something like this will appear. Just click on Add Store again. Then you will have to select the store that you want to connect to Autods. So just click on Etsy Store. Then click on Continue. Next is what it says here. When you click on Etsy Store, you will be directed to Etsy in order to authorize Autods access to your Etsy account. So just make sure to allow everything required. And that's it. Once you added your store to Autods, you may now add products to it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.